Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at a small problem that gets caused in our simple paint applications. So here in this program what we have is we've moved the background to setup, and within the mouse drag function we have drawn an ellipse and pmouseX pmouseY, which means that as we drag the mouse over here we can draw shapes. So this is working fine, no problem. However, if we are drawing a line really fast, you'll notice that there are these gaps that get caused. And that's because we're moving it so fast that the computer is not able to draw an ellipse at every pmouseX pmouseY that we cross. So to avoid this issue, what we can do is we can instead draw lines. Now we know that to draw a line, we need to have 2 points and the x and y coordinates of both those points. So far we only know one point of where the mouse is, that is pmouseX pmouseY. So which is the other point that we draw the line to? So P5 has given us two more special variables called pmouseX and pmouseY. What these variables contain is the previous position of the mouse, meaning that if my mouse is here right now, in the previous frame it was probably a little bit to the left. So pmouseY and pmouseX stores that value. So what we can do is, instead of drawing an ellipse on mouse drag, we can draw a line from the current position of the mouse, that is pmouseX pmouseY, to the previous position of the mouse, which is at pmouseX and pmouseY. So let's see what happens here. So now if I draw slowly, it's all working, but if I go really fast, it still works because it's actually just drawing a line between 2 points. Now for this particular case, if we want to change the color of the stroke or the brush that we're drawing, we shouldn't be changing fill because it's a line and it doesn't have a fill color. We should be changing the stroke instead. So this is how we can make the line red, and we can also make it thicker by saying stroke weight is 10. So we can draw something like this over here now. And even if we're drawing really fast, we'll always have continuous lines. So remember, in addition to pmouseX and pmouseY, P5 also gives us access to pmouseX and pmouseY, which are the previous values. So use this and try to change the drawing applications that you've created so far. Thank you.